Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update drivers with Lenovo Vantage on Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. So first of all, we're gonna have to open the Lenovo Vantage. Usually you can open it just by going to the start menu and searching for Lenovo Vantage, and you should be able to find this app right here, as usually it is pre-installed with the Windows package. But if you don't have it, don't worry, just open Microsoft Store, let it load up, and maybe let's switch the Wi-Fi network, and let's just search for Lenovo Vantage, and then just open its page, click Get right here. As you can see, I have some update prepared. Let's update this application, then open it. And here you simply have to select Check for Updates on the dashboard. This will automatically scan the internet for available software updates, so driver updates for your laptop. And if it finds anything, we will immediately see it and we'll be able to choose which drivers to install. And I'm gonna show you how to do this. So as you can see, we have one update. So let's click View Details. It's a BIOS update. This one requires a restart. So let's hit the checkbox next to it to install it, and then click Install Now. Click OK, and now wait until the update is automatically downloaded and installed on your laptop. After the update is installed, we're gonna have to restart the computer. You can either click Restart Now, or you can go to Power Options and restart your device the regular way. After the restart, wait until updates are finished installing. In case of BIOS update, you're gonna have to make sure that your device is being powered, and just wait until BIOS is fully updated. Usually it takes up to 10 minutes. After that, your device will restart and return back to Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.